Vietnam is a international organization with 150 organizations from 70 countries. We have 9 regions all over the world. It's divided in 9 regions. Every region have one male coordinator and one female coordinator for international coordination committee. Via Campesina is involved with the issue of the farmers, and nowadays the basic issue taken by Via Campesina is food sovereignty. In food sovereignty, food is produced by the peasants for themselves, for the world, for the people, and the total control of the natural resources must be in the hand of the peasants. The water resources, seeds, and land. But in the food security model, now what government is pushing towards the agribusiness. Lot of company, they are in agribusiness. They are growing the food. They are using the pesticide, chemical fertilizer. They are playing with the seed, natural seeds. There is a lot of new technology, genetic modified seeds, terminator seed, hybrid seed. These seeds are not in the interest of the people. These are totally for the business people, the agro-business companies. So we are opposing that. We need a food, safe food for the people, harmless food for the people, grown by the peasants. If we don't have the autonomy, so it means we will not work properly. If we can get the money from the government, how we can struggle against them? The movement like us, we are working as a social movement. We are not getting any assistance from our government. We are not getting any assistance from any NGOs, because we know once we get the money, so they push us, they manipulate us. So we don't want to manipulate by their hand. So independently we work. We never asking for any money for our movement. Our movement is by the people and for the people. For ourselves in India, for our movement, we are not taking any money. But I know some small organization, and particularly in some regions like in Latin America, and the peasants, they are not in a position to run the organization without help. But when we are going to asking the help, so we must know about the character of the funder. What is their character? Can they are working for charity or they are working for their own interest? Without the people, so we need to spread the issue up to the grassroots level. The common men, those are in the countryside, they must know, and we must aware them. Everybody know about the issue, and we organize them. That is the strength of the movement. In the movement, in democratic setup, the people is the basic power of the movement. There is a feeling in the youth of all over the world. They want to shift it towards the city. They want to forget the agriculture. They want to adopt the new jobs in company, in government service. That is the mentality of the youth, because agriculture is not profitable. So our fight is how we can make it profitable job.